What's the meaning of bullheaded? Bullheaded. Bullheaded.
Bullheaded. Bullheaded. The term bullheaded is an adjective that refers to a person who is stubborn, obstinate, and unyielding in their opinions or actions. Such individuals refuse to listen to others' ideas or suggestions and are convinced that their way is the only right way to accomplish a task. Being bullheaded can lead to conflicts and negative outcomes in personal and professional relationships, as well as hinder progress and growth opportunities. It is important to recognize and address such behavior by actively seeking out and considering alternative perspectives and being open to change.